Never wait for hot water again with a tankless water heater from Plumbing Experts. Tankless water heaters are easy, convenient, and now more affordable with a no-interest financing for up to 18 months. Stop with the cold showers and wasted water and call Plumbing Experts today.
It's the Weather Xtreme video. This is the afternoon edition. This is for Friday, the 6th of December. I'm James Spann. The rain moving out of the state late this afternoon. The weekend mostly dry. More rain early next week. Then we turn cold. Let's take a look at things. There's the upper air look. Got a wave coming through, producing the rain in parts of the state this afternoon. There's the radar at 2:20. At that point, the bulk of the rain was south of a line from near Roanoke to Prattville down to about Grove Hill. Big rains falling south of Montgomery. Some rain falling in Auburn. But for the northern half of the state, there's a break. In fact, the sun is out. There's the visible satellite view, and you can see a nice big clearing gap affecting places like Tuscaloosa, Birmingham, Demopolis, and Greensboro. But clouds will likely fill back in later this evening. But the bulk of the rain, the widespread rain for now, is over. Temperatures are cool in the 50s. Birmingham 54, Tuscaloosa 57 degrees. But over the weekend, we should creep back up into the 60s by Sunday. Around the nation, noticeably colder air diving down into parts of the upper Midwest, and we'll see much colder air in here by Tuesday and Wednesday of next week. There's the watch warning map. Things pretty quiet across the country. Some winter weather issues way out west. Maybe some thunder for South Alabama this afternoon. That's the severe weather outlook, but no risk of severe storms through tonight. Tomorrow, got a risk of thunder way out west, and on day 3, not a clap of thunder expected across the lower 48. Here's the precipitation for the next 7 days. The central part of the country is fairly dry. For Alabama, rain amounts 1 to 1.5 inches for the north, 1/2 to 1 inch for the south. So, model fans, let's go. Here's the GFS. This is the 12Z run, valid tomorrow at 3. You can see a zonal flow, and the day should be mostly dry. And probably more clouds than sun. And we note that 1030 high that's over New York. And that means a cold air damming setup could be established where East Alabama is cooler. Places like Anniston, Gadsden, Roanoke, they could be in the low and mid-50s. But to the west, places like Tuscaloosa could be in the mid to upper 60s. So probably a big thermal contrast across the state. And the better chance of getting the sun most likely on the western side. This is Sunday. Again, mostly dry. And the same thing, we'll probably see 50s for East Alabama, 60s for the western side of the state, and again, mostly cloudy and any showers few and far between. But Monday, moisture deepens. We'll mention a chance of showers during the day, but rain will likely increase Monday night with a cold front coming in here. And Tuesday looks pretty wet as a cold front pushes through. And temperatures will likely fall through the 50s during the day, or probably reaching the 40s over the northern half of the state. And we notice on the northern flank of the precipitation mass, there could be a few flurries up in Tennessee. And again, there might be a snowflake over the Tennessee Valley at some point Tuesday evening, but no big deal. That precipitation ending Tuesday night, and Wednesday will be dry and a cold morning. I think we start the day in the 20s. The high will be around 50, the sky becoming sunny. That's a really cold air mass up north, a 1,038 millibar high. That's not too far from Minneapolis, St. Paul. This is Thursday. We're cool and dry. And a week from today, Friday the 13th, a little negative tilt trough coming in here, and a deep surface low begins to form on the Gulf Coast. And that looks like a pretty good wet down at the end of next week. That typically is a very effective rain producer. That could bring rain amounts of 1 to 2 inches for the state. Check the European. It's got the same idea, maybe a touch slower. And the rain will probably end at some point late that Friday night or maybe Saturday morning the 14th. And let's go out 10 days. This is Monday the 16th. A zonal flow, cool, dry air mass. And again, very cold up north. That's a 1,041 millibar high over Montana. This is the rain for Birmingham off the European ensemble. The green line is the mean, about 3 inches over the next 15 days. And temperatures warm up nicely Monday. In fact, I wouldn't be shocked if we saw some spots hitting 70 on Monday, but that high Tuesday of 64, that'll be probably at 12:01 a.m. We'll fall through the 50s and probably reach the 40s during the day, and after that, temperatures look to be below average through December 21st. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video this afternoon. We'll have notes in the blog. My next video posted here Monday morning at 7 o'clock. If you can, catch us this evening on ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Thanks for watching. Have a great weekend, and God bless.
KS Heating and Air, the team ensuring your comfort.